the Pit Boss 820D unboxing and assembly. The instructions call for a Phillips screwdriver, a wrench, and a level. To be honest with you, I only use the screwdriver and some duct tape. Open the box and remove the cardboard, set it aside, and do the same with the contents. The owner's manual is located behind the hopper as shown. While unboxing, take this time to inspect the grill, its parts, and hardware blister pack before assembly. If damaged or you have missing parts, stop, don't assemble, and contact the dealer or pit boss. On a side note, it wouldn't hurt to lay out your parts and organize your cardboard and throw your plastic in a single pile. Easy cleanup. Now I took the time to fold up this box. Now what I did was remove it, split it down the side opposite of the staples as shown. Pick the box up, standing on one end, and fold it right there at the crease. And then do the same with the other side to where it looks like this. If you guys don't want to do this, just set it aside. I wanted to fold it up and use it for the build. Continue your unpacking and inspection. The flame broiler has a sticker on it. Now's a good time to remove it. We're almost done unpacking. Lay everything out to where you know where it is, nice and organized, and give it a good visual inspection. We're almost ready for assembly. Get that big thick piece of cardboard because we're going to flip it up on its side. Now I placed a piece of tape on the hopper lid to keep it from flying open. Now tip it up on its side. Take note of which is the bottom of the barrel so that you'll know to give yourself room for assembly. And for those not so mechanically inclined, be sure, if it has a locking washer, to put the locking washer closest to the head of the screw and then the flat washer. I went ahead and preloaded mine. Alrighty guys, locate the legs with the wheels and locate on the barrel where you'll see the pre-drilled slotted holes for the screws, and make sure you put the bottle opener toward the user, toward the front. And when you put the screws in, snug them up just ever so slightly and make darn sure you don't tighten anything down. Just leave everything nice and loose and snug. Put both legs on like shown and do the other two, the stationary ones without wheels. Be sure not to tighten these screws down. Don't cinch them down yet. Okay, the bottom shelf. Install this with the flat side facing up. Make sure you install the screws at the top loosely, and then the bottom. Leave everything a little bit loose and tighten down whenever you get everything good and square. Once you're happy with the legs and the shelf, go ahead and tighten everything down and get ready. We're going to flip it up on its legs. Lid stopper is pretty simple, guys. What you're going to do is find the screw it's already in the lid, or I'm sorry, the barrel, and remove it. That screw is going to be longer. That's the one that you're going to use. Put the lid stopper through the slot and then line up the hole and just simply cinch it down. Okay, step 4, the lid handle. You'll have 2 pre-installed screws on the lid handle. Remove those and the 2 bezels, and from the inside of the lid, run the screw into the, or through the bezel, and then into the handle and tighten. Note the 4 stainless screws on the side of the barrel. Remove the stainless screws and install the shell. The 2 handles have the screws already in. Remove them screws, flip the tray upside down, and install the handles as shown. Well, this step's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, it's time for the chimney. Now locate the chimney gasket, chimney, and go ahead and install as shown. Very simple, 2 screws. Make sure the gasket's on the outside. Remove the plastic and get ready to install the main plate. Install main plate with the 2 slots toward hopper. You'll know that you've got it right when the tabs stick up through the slots in the main plate. On the flame broiler slider, the tab that's raised should be on the left hand side or toward the hopper. Just gently lay that in on the main plate. Unpack the top grill grate and place it in there with the slots. There's the tab, and put all your grill grates in, and you're done. Bought a cover for it. Drawstring is right there.